And you use hard money for construction loans. All right, guys, we're going to talk about hard money and construction loans. We're also going to talk about rehab loans, what the difference is, what you need to know about it. I really appreciate this question. If you've got a question you'd like to have me answer, type it in the comments below and I'll get a video going. Okay, guys, so first off, what is hard money? A lot of people get this confused. Hard money is not hard to get. Hard money means that the loan is done based upon the hard or tangible asset rather than the soft assets, meaning the income, the debt to income, the debts, how long somebody's been on their job, what their credit scores are like. That's kind of the difference between a hard money and a traditional lender. You see, a traditional lender is going to say, what's the ability of this person to be able to repay the loan? And a hard money lender is going to say, how good of equity do I have in the property? So if there's a problem, I can sell the property and get my money back and then some. That's what a hard money lender is looking like. So a hard money lender is really concerned about how much money they're into the property versus how much the property is really worth. Now, one of the challenges you have as a hard money lender is if somebody's doing what's called value add. Value add meaning adding value to the property, typically by doing repairs. Because if they're doing repairs to the property, that can increase the value. But if they tear out the kitchen and don't put it back in, that's going to decrease the value. And if they put it in and don't do a great job, that's not going to help as much either. So those are things that have to be taken into consideration. Most hard money lenders are going to lend on what's called rehab, not construction. What the rehab basically means is doing the things in the existing structure that's there without changing the footprint. So meaning you can add a bedroom or a bathroom if it's within the existing footprint, like the basement or upstairs or somewhere else. But what they don't want to have you do is change the footprint, meaning make the house bigger, add another story. Anything like that is changing what we call the footprint. So basically, if you look down on the house and you saw the footprint, that's the footprint of the property. Anything that you're doing to expand or make that bigger is going to be considered construction. The other thing that's going to be considered construction is called ground up construction. There's a piece of dirt there, and you're saying we're going to build a structure. That's going to be called ground up construction. For the most part, hard money lenders are not going to be very excited about ground up construction. And the reason is there's a lot of project management, a lot of oversight, a lot of working with the cities, a lot of things that can go wrong through that process. So most of them are not going to be as excited of doing that. But that said, there are hard money lenders that are going to be willing to do that. But you're typically going to need to be a little bit bigger shop. Let me explain. So some of the hard money lenders that want to do construction loans aren't going to want to do one construction loan. They're going to want to do 50 projects. They're going to want to do 50 houses in a community and do a multi-million-dollar type deal to make it worth their while to do that. So you kind of get in this situation where you've got to be kind of a big boy to do the ground up construction, or you've got to do a hard money loan and just do a rehab loan. And so that may be the question that you're getting out here as you asked is, will a hard money lender let me do work to the property? And I'm going to say, yes, absolutely. They're going to want you to do work to the property to do value add to the property, but they're going to want to limit that to a certain scope with staying within the current boundaries of what the property, what the footprint looks like right now. So if you've been enjoying this video, please hit that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people, which I would really appreciate it. Also, if you'd like to get a copy of my property value analysis, I'll send it to you absolutely for free. This is what you're going to use to determine what the after repaired value of the property is worth. And that's what a hard money lender is going to be basing their loan based upon, is what the after repaired value of the property really is. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, just text me your email address and I'll send it right over to you. Text me at 435-294-0433. I also have a video, what are typical hard money lender rates? What you're going to be paying if you're looking to do something like this. What's that going to look like? You'll check out that video. I'll put it on the screen. Also, I've got a blog post, the 6 considerations to look for when selecting a hard money lender. You're going to want to check that out. I'll link it in the comments below. If you're not currently a subscriber, why not? I'd certainly love to have you hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of our channel. Otherwise, make it a very profitable day, and bye for now.